Uh, First of all, a very big round of applause. I really loved the entire session. Do we have guests here? Yes. How many of you understood why a table topic session happens? He stated the reason that a table topic session happens. So I think you did a very good job and a meaningful job with that. You stated the purpose of a table topic session, so that got us connected. I think you were more VPPR of the club than a table topic master today. You seem to be promoting Toastmasters a lot. Thank you for that. Not congratulations. Thank you. And your topics, you asked us to share a lot of personal experiences, and I think it becomes easy when you ask us to share personal experiences. Coming from another club back to your home club, I think you really deserve appreciation for that. Did you all enjoy the interactive educational session?
Yes.
Sheetal, you began with the purpose of your educational session, which is very important again. When you're doing something, when the audience knows why you're doing it, they know what to look for. I think you did a fantastic job with that. You asked a lot of questions. Now, when there is a lot of interaction between the audience and the speaker, it does not become a boring history lesson. It does not become past tense. It's still there, and when you go back home, it's still there. You know you said something, you got some feedback, so it's still there. The fact that you made it interactive was an excellent tactic. Now, your topic was well researched and very informative. I didn't know a lot of things. When I'm going back home, I know I shouldn't be saying bumped. I should be saying bumped. So thank you for that. However, there is just one little suggestion. I wish you used a PowerPoint presentation. You had to go there, write something, and then come back. So I just wish you used a PowerPoint presentation with some sounds and all that. That could have made your presentation very attractive. I also noticed a lot of crutch words being used in your session. Please avoid that. Otherwise, I think you did a fantastic job. Please give a big round of applause. Can I have the grammarian?
Sorry. I was so engrossed in the situation. So, very few people use the nonchalant. How do you pronounce? Nonchalant word was used by MC, and the entire session was opposite of that, which was exciting. I saw great use of words. I think that my page is getting full, but because we have very limited time, I will just do 2 or 3. He was dog tired. Somebody used very good. The bag of treats, very good usage again. Slimy sea, when Apu read about it. Well, tongue-tied was used. So many things. There is only one area where I think we can improve is everybody wants happy. We can say maybe everybody wants to be happy. That can be done. And again, very good usage, critical constructive evaluation from the general evaluator, and she has not disappointed us. I will hand over back to you. Thank you.
Can we have the listener?
Good evening, Toastmaster.
Good evening.
As a listener, I was listening more and I could not note down the points. Mistakes about it. But I have very few points to find out. Today we have 2 wonderful guests. So, can you please let anyone know who their name is and from where they are come? It's very important.
Rupika is from Calcutta and Mr. Jagdish is from LA 1924.
Okay, next.
Trivikram from
Trivikram is Mr.
Matikere.
Matikere from Matikere.
But
This Disqualified.
Disqualified.
I answered
Support
to-
taken, support taken.
No, G can't answer. She is noting down.
No, she hasn't.
Not listening.
Okay, I'll answer that.
Okay, what was the topic, table topic assigned by Ram to Trivikram? Trivikram. Not you, sir.
Not you.
You, ma'am.
Rotate kapda outlook and with that whether you want to use internet or smartphone.
What was the table topic assigned by Ram to Deepika?
The happy sale is from Shopper Stop, so doesn't mean happy.
Did he call you?
Perfect. Correct.
Did he call you?
Not between mother and daughter.
Between you two,
कहीं नहीं जाएगा, धीरज कहीं नहीं जाएगा.
what did the president feel or made high when she went to Croatia?
What made her happy?
Yeah, there were 3 points. Yeah.
Alcohol and fun night.
No, it's between the two.
Three things.
Yeah, 3 points.
Three things.
Yeah.
First is we got the golden gavel. Second is Kumaran sir became the district governor.
It is between us.
Between these two people.
Yeah. No, but actually I had asked for
Third one.
Fine, next question.
Next question.
Okay, let's go on.
Next question.
Between the three
Normally
of you.
sounds very English.
Not fair.
Yeah.
The mother, the teacher. There,
Do
there,
you have
there.
another question?
Yes, ma'am.
44.
Very good.
So did we see the Srisan episode here today? Okay, thank you, Nista. Can we have the arc out topic? I somehow feel it should be in the timer division.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, just keep it short because we're running out of time. The president had 5 hours, the MC 1, Sajatans none, and evaluator 1 had 4 hours, speaker 1 had none. So, thank you.
The green light is up. Okay, the MC, Mr. Satyanarayan Raju, you introduced everybody and you did a lot of background check. I think when a DTM comes on stage, it shows. But again, there are pros and cons to it. You have so much to share. You have so much to share that it becomes like a mini speech between each session. So I just wish you'd kept it a little crisp, a little short. But then again, I have another complaint. I'm sure my evaluator will agree with me. Have you ever heard of Pirate of the Gavel, which has been happening between the clubs?
Yeah.
He seems to be the pirate of evaluations. He had mini evaluations between the sessions, and I think he appreciated and used a lot of adjectives to describe the speakers after the session, so that you took away, you actually made my work easier. Thank you for that. Now, that's about it. You did a fantastic job. Darren Lacroix, the world champion, sent us this quote through email. He said, "A mighty oak is just a seed that stuck to its ground." I think this quote holds true to our DTM Satyanarayan Raju. Though he's a DTM, he took up a role of being an MC and he still did a lot of homework in doing that successfully. So can we have the biggest There is one person to be evaluated. Do you know who? The audience. Of course, what's a meeting without the audience? I love the fact that you all are very interactive, but there's a little complaint that I have. Now, when a speaker is up here, okay, wait, let me give an example. Imagine a train which is going at a very high speed. Now, if you just want to cross the track, when the train is this close, what happens? That is exactly what happens to the train of thoughts that the speaker has. When you interrupt a little bit, the speaker has so much to say that they lose track of their thoughts. So please kindly avoid doing that. Otherwise, I think you all have been wonderful audience. I had a wonderful time. Thank you.
That was exhaustive and it is very precise. That was encouraging and eloquent. Extraordinary general evaluation. That fantastic job. You a big round of applause. I smile when I think about you. I smile when I come close to you. I smile when I touch you. I smile when you think about me. I smile when you look at me. But I will be happy when you smile back. Please smile at me. I want to go back home with full of happiness. Anyhow, it is free. If some of you thinking, can't be free, they say if you smile, you can be happy. Anyhow, smiles are free. It doesn't cost too much. Keep smiling. Now I have a big task to request our president to come back with a smiling face to finish the formalities. Give a big round of applause.
Didn't he speak well? Didn't she speak well? Yes. Everybody spoke very well. Since we have only one speaker and one evaluator, we do not be giving away the best speaker and best evaluator prizes because it doesn't make sense. But we have the best table topic speaker, Vinod.
Just excuse me.
And the best listener, Vijayalakshmi. I hope Vijayalakshmi also to hold the gavel with me today because we did this together.
Let's make it a habit.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is the first time when there were two women presidents and we did it. There was another high point in the innovations which Mr. Ramgopal asked me to mention and which I think I should also mention is that Satyanarayan Raju got his DTM there and Ramesh sir.